Nemo. Make it quick, I gotta go to the little clown's room. So the family that will see my show is the one who hollers, "Oh!" Fine, you're in. Come with me. Oh, and you can pick one other group to come with you.
How about these guys?
Sure, whatever. They look clean. You guys come with me. You stay here and wait for someone to tell you to do something.
I love all of these signs. Look at all of these signs. These are hilarious.
This is for this. Yeah, they test everything. Supplies, food, the slogans. Doesn't it make you feel great? When somebody's
So here we just got off the Simpson ride. Now we went through Moe's, and one of the exits there's this poster that has every Simpsons character over here, and then they've got this that has them all numbered. You can't see any of them, I'm sure of it. And then they've got a nice list here that tells you which one's which. Very cool.
Play drums?
Yeah, man, I've been practicing to be in the Superstar Parade!
Oh, yeah, man, I see those drummers going by every day!
Oh, the one at 7 p.m., right?
Yeah, that's right, man. How cool would it be to be paid to play drums?
Yo, that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Check it out. Building this beat up here. Got me some wires.
Yeah?
Got me some wood.
Oh.
It sounds good. Check it out. Oh, pretty good. Bad, man, yeah. Guys, we got way more people watching this project than usual.
Yeah, I guess you're right, man. Hey, just so everybody knows out there, you didn't stumble onto the set of Magic Mike 3 this morning. You gotta keep this protective gear on, man.
Yo, we got all these people watching, though. Yo, Anthony.
Yeah.
We're gonna show them that beat you've been building.
Really?
Yeah.
Think they want to hear it?
I know they want to hear it.
Y'all want to hear it? All right.
Yeah! Nice! Let's do this!
Yeah, man.
Hey guys, I'm building a beat over here myself. Check this out.
Oh.
All right.
There it is. Hey, Jesse, help me out, man.
Yeah, man. Hey, Jesse, go on. Coming up. Got it.
What?
Well, since we're construction workers, we get a lot of questions about DIY projects.
Yeah, like how can I build my own awesome beats at home?
That's right, man. So whenever you guys got a project at home, it's always a good idea to have an extra set of hands around to help out.
Ain't that right? Pound it.
High five. Okay.
We need an extra set of hands now. Anybody out there good with power tools? You can act like they're like we're doing? What do we have here? I think I found somebody.
Right here, come on up. How you doing? What's your name? What was that? Tixon. Okay, Tixon, where are you coming from? Tixon all the way from France. Let's give it up for Tixon, everybody.
All right. Well, the guys think Tix are ready to go back there. We need to take a moment to talk to everyone about safety, all right? Yeah, it's our #1 priority around here. So whether you're building beats at home or on the construction site like us, you got to make sure you're wearing the proper protective equipment.
That's right. All right, we're going to have you hold this bucket. All right, now move one step. Perfect. Perfect. Now, you're in our safe zone. Do not move from our safe zone because safety is universal. All right, now we're going to put the safety visor down to make sure you're extra safe. Go ahead and hold on to that. Perfect. All right. Is that good? That's good. All right. Let's do this.
Sweet, get the rest of you guys how to put those hands together. Let's see how fast we can build this beat. All right, now let's go. Come on, put them hands together. Let me go.
Good. Yeah, let's do this.
I feel like we're missing something.
Yeah?
You know what we need?
What?
A little bit more cowbell!
Oh, yeah! All right, Tixon, take this cowbell. Now take this drumstick in the other hand. Hope you've been practicing. This is your chance to show everybody you're ready to be a beat builder. Give that cowbell a whack for us. Hit it with a stick. Don't shake it.
Yeah! That's a good idea. Let's have her play to the Beat Builders theme song.
All right. All right, when I count you off, start drumming that cowbell nice and loud. Here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Natural.
All right, now. All right, check this out. Do this with the beat. Yeah, right. Oh, yeah.
Man, that's too easy, though.
Yeah, let's kick it up now.
Yeah? Yeah. All right. Let's have the arms now, okay? Up to the left. Here we go. All right. Here comes the end. Big finish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah! That's nice. Guys, make some noise for our volunteer Dixon! You can be a part of our crew any day.
All right, guys. Let's put some finishing touches on these beats.